Alright people, so this is the finished look of this unit. So this is a little bit different from what I usually do, so I want to try something else. So this unit was sent to me from Chinalacewigs.com. So this came in the same exact style, meaning the bang style. So what I did with this one is just cut the ends off a little bit because I want it to be just right here at the shoulder. And I did go ahead and customize the bangs as well. Now as far as the parting space on this one, they give you like the regular frontal style parting. So the parting is right here. If you actually want to split this over and do a sweep bang, you could. Instead of cutting it, you could have did a sweep bang, but I wanted to do the Chinese bangs or the front bangs just because I want to do like a little front bang look with the short style. So what I ended up doing with this one is I just completely just said, you know, forget the straight look, just because straight was, the silky straight to me, I'm not a big fan of that. I do like a little bit of like a light yucky texture with my hair. So what I decided to do with this one is go ahead and add some little light curls to it. So I did use my Duvoli wand curl, and I got like these, what did I just drop? And I got like these light curls in it. I didn't do anything too tight because I wanted it to have like that kind of like rugged look, and the ends are still straight. So it definitely has like this non-perfect look, which I like. So I did go in with my L'Oreal's Technique Art Wow Styles Next Day Hair. Now I highly recommend this, guys, if you guys don't really like silky hair or you want your hair to have like a little bit of luster, a little bit of buff. This product right here works so well. But the issue with this product, it's a little bit pricey, but it does last a long time. So I did use that to kind of buff this up a little bit and give it more of an earth and more of a look. So you can definitely see a lot of the texture in it. Silky straight texture doesn't have any bit of texture. So adding this spray definitely gives it like a little bit of a look. It gives it like a slight lacky look, a slight yucky look. So that's something I really like. Now, as far as the bangs, I'm not like too much of a big front bang person, but if it's cut right and it's not blocking me or it's not in my way, I can work with it. So I think that cutting this the way I did came out really well, and it is a little bit in my eye, but I do like it because it kind of like shields me and makes me look cute. Now if you're looking for something that's sophisticated, fun, it's definitely a cute little look with the cut and everything. I think just cutting that little piece off right here definitely kind of gave it like a little bit more of a clean look, a fun look, a date night look, a going out look, an everyday look. And I know people do like hairstyles like this, and just adding the bangs with it with this like little short curl is so cute. So you have the option to curl it and you have the option to leave it straight. I would probably wear it both ways, but I prefer this way better just because it has just a little bit of character to it. And I kind of feel like a hairstyle like this can just go with so many cute trendy fall outfits. And that was my initial idea when I came up with this little curl look with the front bangs. I'm always thinking about like scarves around my neck and kind of like this kind of like, you know, fringe. It's just so cute. And the fact that it's not super long hair makes it even better. All right, people, so that basically wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's hair tutorial. I will leave all the information down below, including a coupon code if you want to save some money. Do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.